Here's another part of owning your own home or owning a mortgage on a property with a home, that you have to do the maintenance for yourself. And this is one particular thing that it's real funny. It's kind of like a meme today. And that is the chirp of the ceiling bird, aka the fire alarm. I've been in this house almost 3 years now, and this is the second one I've had to change inside one of the bedrooms. So I ran out to the store today and of course got a battery to put in it, because today the chirping started and I couldn't take it. It actually woke me up this morning. So when I took this thing down from the ceiling, there's like a little pin here. Now I was twerking on this thing, and luckily by the time I got up the ladder here, that I'll leave a link to in the description, so just in case you may need one. It's about a 500-pound capable ladder, 3 steps, 1, 2, 3 steps. I wouldn't try going up here though. I only went to the second step when I was getting up to the alarm here. So this pin, okay, is what actually holds the alarm to the frame, and I'll be showing that to you soon, and I'll show you what I do. And what happened is I took the battery out of here. It was an original battery, kid battery, that came with the alarm primarily, possibly. But I'll put a link to the alarm also in the description. But this pin, if it's not taken out, you could actually damage you can damage this itself, the alarm itself, the monitor itself. But I just pulled it out, and once I did that, it was easily taken off, and that's when I took the battery out. So now I'm going to put the battery back in. I'm going to put the pin back in and twist it back on. So I just wanted to point out one more thing that you have to do once you have your own property. One of the small things of maintenance that you have to do on your own. There is no maintenance man to call. You are the maintenance man. You are the maintenance person. So take that into account when you finally decide to take the leap into homeownership. There's no maintenance office to call. There's no work order to put in. So stand by while I put it back up on the wall, up on the ceiling, and I'll get a little more further information for you. Right back. As you can see, I screwed it back onto the frame here, the alarm frame here. And as you can see, there's a hole here. This is the hole I'm pointing to. And this is where this little pin goes in to anchor it down onto the alarm itself. So once you put that in the pin in the hole, I'm gonna change hands. Not so good with the left hand. Okay. Let's see. There you go. And see, that keeps it from spinning. And that's it. Back in play. Test. It works. So, like I said, I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link to the alarm in the description, and also the battery that it takes. And I appreciate you watching. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. And let me know how hard it is for you to change your ceiling bird fire alarms. Take care. Till the next one.